Testing, testing. Okay, there we go. My microphone was not plugged in. Okay, well, welcome to the stream, everybody. Hello, hello. How are you all doing? Today, we're gonna be doing the same thing as we did yesterday. Except, oh, give me a second. We're gonna be doing more thereof, actually. And we're gonna get as much done as we possibly can. Okay, hold on, let me see how Chrome looks. I didn't test Chrome on my thing. Yeah, that's pretty good.
Welcome back to college bowl season. And now it looks like a fan has run onto the field carrying a $5 KFC.
Yeah, hold on, I forgot. Chrome doesn't actually have ad blocking.
Or the new Nashville hot loaded fry bowl with nuggets, coleslaw, secret recipe fries, pickles, and Nashville hot sauce. Wow, looks.
Chrome doesn't actually block ads on the music, so I'm just gonna put the music on Firefox actually. Yeah, okay. Whoops, my fault. Okay, I hope that doesn't get copyrighted. I would hate that. I got copyrighted for playing an ad. That would suck. Chicken. What was that ad about? I wasn't even paying attention to it, honestly. Okay, yeah, here we have the thing. We got players and enemies working, and now we need to get ourselves armor and target. We need to get these done. I don't actually have to turn down the music. I can just turn down my headphones. Okay, hold on. Where are we at? Where are we at? Let's see. Okay. Let's do some logic here. Wrong program. Yeah, let us see the code. Oh, yeah. I forgot. That's actually the stream. That's actually not what I wanted to do. We've got the flowchart. We can actually move Chrome around so that I can see. Okay, great. We got the flowchart and we got the code. Got harmer and target. These will be instantiated onto anything that can be a harmer or a target. So the enemy will have not an object collider on it actually. Delete that, and we can delete these signals. We won't need these. And then instead, we're gonna take the harmer and we're gonna slap it right silly on the enemy right there. And we're also going to slap. That's for melee, and we're gonna slap the target on there as well. Not as a subset. There we go. And we're gonna want to do the same thing for the player, actually. Target and harmer. That's not right. And harmer. There we go. So now, if I edit these, the harmer and the target in here, they'll edit the harmer and target in the player. We don't need these anymore since that won't actually do anything, I think. Great, so let's see. Let me remember the state of the game. What's the state of the game right now? Okay, great. We have a projectile and it is being fired. It is not colliding with the walls. That's okay. It's also not colliding with the enemy, and it was previously colliding with the enemy. Let me make it faster, actually. You know what? Velocity 6. Double it. I just wanted it to look nice, you know? Yeah, good enough. Okay. So what we're gonna do here is make the projectile. We're gonna put the armor on there. Oops. We're gonna put the armor on the projectile. And we're not gonna put the target on the thing. I don't actually know what exactly we're doing. Yeah, the armor basically is supposed to tell the target to take damage. What I'm thinking is, how do I make sure the right enemy takes damage and not all of them? And also, how do I make sure that this person who shot the projectile cannot take damage from it? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I'm gonna do as much as I can. Great. So I want go back to the flowchart. So what I want to happen is the target oh, okay. That's not what connector with label. Yeah. Target. Nope. That's no. Other way around. And then the data will go like this. The data will go like this, and it will say, oh, well, there we go. That's actually perfect. It will go. You can do a list of enemies the armor can harm, yeah. Then whatever bullet hits a whitelisted target, yeah. But the issue I'm facing here is that I don't know how to make oops. I don't know how to make I know how to make this happen. I know how to make the impact happen. But what I do not know is how to make this bit happen. I do not know how to make the armor tell the target. I also... Why did it play... Oh, because I didn't... Okay, so, what I don't know is how to make this bit happen, which is, I don't know how to make the armor tell the target something just happened. I could make them... Give me a second. It's gotta send all sorts of data to, like, how much damage it does. much damage it should do. Give me a second. Yeah, for real. I actually can't think with this music blaring in my ear. Thankfully, I can turn the headphones down and you don't have to hear it. Okay. I don't know how signals work. I could... Okay. Yeah, I know how to do all those systems and stuff, but the only issue is I do not know how to send the data. It's not a problem with what amounts of damage I want to have. It's a problem of like how to say this is how much damage there should be from the harmer to the target, because there's no real way of directly communicating, I think. So the wizard script is actually an auto load. Hold on, this projectile wait a second. Nope, that's actually not. I wanted to do it on this one. And then I don't need these actually because yeah, okay, and then yeah. Why don't make the wizard? Yeah, that's what I was just thinking. The wizard. So when the projectile enters an area, for which I will not need these, by the way. So I want area entered on harmer area entered. Yo, what's up? Welcome to the stream. And the area exited. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. So on area entered, it's gonna say wizard dot. It's gonna change the wizard's recent impacts. I don't know if that will make edge cases though. Like. Well, I'm about to find out, I guess. If it will make edge cases, like, definitely. I have never seen live coding content. I think it's probably because somebody can, like, easily steal your work or whatever, but I don't care. I don't care. Steal my work, if you will. Steal my spaghetti code. Okay, so this will say, like, okay. It'll say wizard, recent impacts, projectile damage, it'll like say, okay, it'll put it like a list. Okay, I have an idea. It'll create a buffer of recent impacts with the damage and the shooter. Like this. And then, right? And then, so physics process, resolve impacts. It will resolve the, so every frame, every physics frame, which is 60 times per second, it'll resolve all of the impacts by looking at the recent impacts array, and then, probably put a, there we go. Okay, hold on. I actually want, like, I actually want, like, the scale of it to be, like, smaller, actually. Yeah, 0.8 is good. The armor can be exactly the same. Perfect. And the object collider can also be a circle, I think. No, the object collider doesn't actually have to exist, like, at all. An environment collider can be a circle instead. So now, okay, hold on, let me do, like, the exact same thing right here. And this one can be 0.8, and then the target can be 8. Perfect. And now we can do this. Great, cool, perfect. Okay. Let me see something. Oh. Okay, hold on. Oh. There we go. Now it should be a pretty darn small. Okay, so basically, the player script should, trigger pull, create projectile with the shooter of 0, right? And the wizard should create a projectile with the owner 0. Okay, it didn't actually use that like at all. There we go. There we go. Perfect. Okay, great. And so now the recent impacts. I'll instead of doing that, I'll do that because I want to. I don't know. I'm more comfortable with it or something. And so what I'll do is every time the projectile nope. What I want to do is every time the harmer give me a second. No, yeah, that is correct. Every time the harmer of the projectile enters an area, yeah, the harmer component of the projectile enters an area, then it will wizard dot projectile. I mean recent impacts dot append, and then the data. So it'll append the an array containing the owner of the projectile and the projectile power. Right? And then it will make itself unmonitorable. Armor.monitorable equals like false or whatever. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna separate out these variables to make them look better. I like to put my onReady at the top up here. Great. Okay. Bam, okay. I don't want to delete it straight up because then it will also delete the particles instantly and that will look weird. Okay, hold on. So first we're gonna realize it's gonna trigger that if it enters any area 2D. I don't really want to trigger that if it enters any area 2D, right? Great, hold on. Make it collision layer. Oh, well, I can make it a different collision layer, I think. I'll make it collision layer 16, I don't know. I think collision layer 5 is where it will be. And then we'll monitor. What'll the harmer be? 6, I guess. And so this one will monitor 5, and the other one will monitor 6, so that they're only talking to each other. Right? There we go. Well, I'm still working out everything. I'm making the harmer and target only talk to each other. And then, now that the harmer and target only talk to each other, once the projectile's harmer enters an area, then it will, okay, let's see, does that actually, the way I think it sure does work the way I think it did. That's great. Perfect. Now it will, wizard dot, recent impacts dot append. And then the value. Append array, which can only be an array value. So, shooter I'll make the power equal 10. No, I'll make it equal 1 actually. So that 5, so we only have to shoot the enemy once. Shooter power. And then I'm going to go over to the wizard script and resolve the impacts. If I'm gonna make it not resolve the impacts every time actually. If recent impacts no. If recent impacts, how do you I forgot I actually don't know, like, how do you detect how many things are in an array? Okay. Get size or something? Yeah. Dot size, okay. Not equals 0, then resolve impacts. Right? Oh, I forgot to. Yeah. Perfect. Great. And then let's see console spam. Check that out! It wasn't printing an empty array though. Every other frame. Oh, okay, hold on. Maybe a pinned array doesn't do what I thought it did. Yeah, okay. A pinned array just adds the arrays together, I see. And then for the resolving, still don't know why it has this every other line, but for the resolving, what we're gonna do is enemy. Its ID is 1, which is separate from the ID of the player, which is always 0. is always assumed to be 0. Great. Okay, so Large Hadron Collider by Fear of Dark. Love this song. Okay, so how do we figure out how do we figure out what the parent of the harmer is? Does it have an address or something? First of all, don't know when to print reasoning max anymore because we know that works. Actually, yes, we do. Great, perfect. It showed up for 1 frame, and then it got cleared. Okay, that's exactly what I wanted. Now, how do we figure out the parent of the harmer? Also, if I do this, it should not show up for 1. It still showed up. It still showed up. Oh, that's the harmer. Yeah, no wonder it showed up. It still shows up. It does not, in fact, show up now that it's not monitorable anymore. Which is exactly what I want. Okay. Now we're gonna have to figure out how to find the target's parent. Okay, hold on. Get parent? Heck yeah, that's a good omen. Or you gotta get parent. Okay, hold on. Okay, we figured out how to get the parent, kind of. Where E equals print E. Okay, hold on, it's still, okay, I saw something, but it's still printing the other thing. Which I don't actually need. Oh, look! Check that out, it even gives us a nice little address. How do I use that? It tells us exactly which character body 2D it is actually, which is quite good. But how do I actually use that? I don't know. So I'm gonna want to append the Okay, great. Now it appends all 3 of those. Okay, hold on. Maybe... And I do... Maybe. I don't think so. I don't think this will work. There's no way this is working exactly as I wanted it to. 100? Heck yeah! I'm so good at coding, guys. Great. What if I just skipped that? And then parent. What if I just skip that hit? Perfect, that still works as well. You're right, Straight Jacket, that sacrifice saved us all. Amazing. So now it needs to resolve the impacts. It will clear the recent impacts at the end of it, so that we can... Okay. What am I doing in this jam? What am I deving? I am deving... Oops. I am deving... Oops. I don't know how to work this program. Technomancer, a Noita-inspired roguelike about exponential growth of power. In this game, you climb an infinite tower of robot cyborg-themed enemies, which become exponentially more strong the higher you get. You start with a basic gun and collect augmentations and machinery and ammo to help you grow. Noita-inspired. I love Noita. Expansion on the Game Jam theme. Knowledge is power. Because you gotta know how to do all the cool things with your gun. We'll get to that bit, but first we need to do basic enemy stuff. So we're doing basic stuff right now because I don't know because yeah. So now we're shooting projectiles. Oops. Okay, hold on. Well, it shouldn't be looking at me. Okay, actually, I think I'm gonna have to make my ID equals 0. Hold on. Okay. For real. We're shooting projectiles in places. It shouldn't be, well, it should be detecting me, but it shouldn't be impacting me, so that's okay. That's not bad, actually. I'm not complaining about that. Okay, anyway. Back to what I was doing. So now Now that we have projectiles detecting things, we need to resolve the impacts in the wizard. Great, so, give me a second. I'm laying back. I'm chill maxing. It needs to read each item on the list and basically tell all of the enemies and the player. It needs to tell all the enemies and the player. Oh yeah. If the ID equals the shooter. If the ID and the shooter are the same, pass. Otherwise, I am chill max and relax build. If the shooter and the ID are the same, it doesn't do anything. Otherwise, it like tells the
text edit.
It tells the Okay, no, hold on. Not all of the impacts need to be resolved in the wizard. The wizard can just tell everybody to it can just I don't know, create a signal that tells everybody to do all of the harmer entities to do something, and the harmer enemies can just I don't know. Oh, no way. That's pretty cool. It has all of my history. Nice. Okay. Give me a second. Basically, it needs to tell all the harmers to do something that the harmers can measure against their parents' ID. I mean, the targets. It needs to tell the targets. Data has been sent to an auto-loaded script, and now everything else, all of the other scripts should be looking for okay, I have an idea. I have something of an idea that I'm going to write down real quick. So, a harmer starts here, the wizard, and then this sends us data. That, right? And then, and then, basically, this sends that there, the targets and the wizard are aware of each other, right? They're aware of each other's existence, but there's no data transfer right now. There's no data transfer necessarily now. So basically the Harmer will send the data to the thing, right? And then these guys will be constantly also checking for... These guys, through their connection, will be constantly checking for the, these guys will be constantly checking every frame for new impacts that just showed up, right? There we go. This guy is checking for new impacts, and then once it gets that new impact with its ID and it resolves it, then it will send a little bit of mail to the thing that says, "Yep, I've finished resolving my damage. Feel free to delete me from the thing now." And then this guy will then delete the thing from this thing. Yeah, okay. So resolve impacts will be okay. Instead of having resolve impacts, it will be... Okay, yeah. So the Harmer is sending data to this array. And, okay. And then all of the targets will be sending, all of the target things will be sending... The Harmer will be sending to the recent impacts, and the targets will be sending to resolved impacts once they see the recent impacts has had their ID. Okay, so... Give me a second. Okay. I think I might have got this. So in resolved impacts, I'm going to also make the... Oops. Yeah, okay. I'm also going to make the projectile send wizard dot resolve impacts dot append false. Okay, and so that means that every single time an addition is added to the recent impacts list, then an addition will be added to the resolved impacts list, which matches the it'll be sent to the resolved impacts list, which matches the index of the recent impacts. Great. So now we have a way of telling which resolved impact matches with which recent impact. So now I'm gonna put this script first in this. If wizard dot recent impacts does not equal 0, then pass. Else pass. Read impacts. Pass. So what this will do basically is this will read the impacts and then it'll read for its ID and I want this to be below physics process actually. Because each physics frame I want to detect impacts. Great. And now that we are, and so for detecting impacts, what we're gonna do is if the wizard has an impact in its recent impacts, if it has an item in that list, it's going to read it and see if its own ID is in there. And then, okay, hold on. Oh, hold on. That means potential impacts, by the way. For index and potential impacts, that means for every item in potential impacts, I think. Okay, there we go. List ID equals ID. Alright, I'll see you later. Have a good day. So now once it Once it no, I have to make it detect. I have to make it detect the actual thing. I have to make it read what the thing is. Okay, hold on. That's for the amount of items. Nope. I don't need this. That's not exactly how it works. Okay, now it has an array inside of it. And it's gonna be the ID first, isn't it? Projectile appends the shooter first, yeah. So maybe this will work. 0. Oh, okay. Dot size. Okay. Well, what's it sending? What data is it sending? Oh, power. And the parent is the ID. Oh. It will be 3. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay. So I actually don't need that. Because it just has the entire thing. Okay, great. Gotta take 5. Be right back. I'm back. What song is playing? Oh. Nice. I'm gonna eat some bread, some cream cheese that I genuinely do not remember buying, but it still smells and tastes fine, so. You know. It's probably not bad. Right? Alright. Well, we sure got that working. We need to finish. Okay, so if no. Okay. Great. So impact should be true now, if there has been an impact. Great. Detect, resolve, what's the difference? Now it will resolve it. And then... Oh. It's actually gotta also... Great. No. Perfect. Great. Okay. So now, we'll know the index of the array. That's a problem. I could just put in the scope of the whole script. Duct tape solution. Yeah. Why not? All right. Nope, that won't work. That one's after the entire for loop. Okay. Okay, good. It also breaks properly. Edge case. It can only detect one impact on an enemy at one time per frame. Maybe that's just okay though. I would have to completely redesign the system if I wanted to fix that, and I'm not going to be doing that. Okay. I might have to take a little bit of a longer break as well, I think. Like 30 minutes or something. Just to like clear my head. I think that would be beneficial to me. I could also end stream since like nobody's here. But you know, it's a good document for me to go look back on though. Maybe I won't do that. I'll just take a 30-minute. Nobody's here anyway, nobody's watching. So. I'll set you up with like... Man, you know what? I wish I was Vettel, because then I could just set you up with Nero and take off. I need an AI companion that I can just set up to stream without me. Alright. Great, it works properly. And now this one will... Now the detect will then resolve it. It'll say... Yep, I'm resolved. Okay. Oh, okay, hold on now. I want to return the whole array, actually. The array and its location. Then I want to say... then I want to say does it list the thing even if it's the shooter? Yes, it does list it even if it's the shooter. So if the shooter and the ID are equal, then it just straight up goes to resolving it. No, if impact should be the entire array. If impact 0 is equal to impact 2, pass. Oops. Else, pass for now. Then we'll skip straight to the resolving bit where okay, hold on. Then health minus equals impact 1. And then I can factor in, I can do like calculate. Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. Calculate damage. DMG. Health minus equals DMG. Great. Okay, perfect. So calculate damage, impact 1. And that'll do that. And this is debug is less than 1. It's going pretty okay, I think. Hold on, what were we just doing? Calculate damage if impact 0 equals impact 2. Oh, and then we gotta and then we gotta make sure to send the equals wizard dot resolved impacts. Impact it It's going pretty well. We're almost done. We're almost done making the enemy disappear when you shoot it. Array location equals I. You can set things in an array, right? Replace. Sort, assign, isn't usually really has. First. Okay, hold on. Let me look it up again. Methods, I think it would be. Assign, I don't know. That's not right. Clear, count, duplicate, erase, fill. Find, front, no, hash. Remove at. No. Oh, okay. That right? Yeah, array location dot append 1. Great, let's see if that works out. Great, okay. Okay, but why? If I print it in 2 different locations, and it has 2 different. It's somewhere. I print it 2 different locations, and suddenly it's different here. I did this. Am I printing anything else on accident? Looks like I am printing something else on accident. Ah. Okay, well, the 90 is good. Actually. Great, okay. Oh! I got it. It sure does. Well, now it's functioning. Great, cool. Well, actually, no, it isn't. Oh. It printed nothing, actually. I am kind of tired, bro. I am kind of thinking about taking like a 30-minute break or something to like clear my head. Oh, well, now it's doing something. Yeah, 30-minute break to kind of clear my head, and I'll get right back into it. I gotta. Okay, hold on. Thing is, I gotta get this out. I have a deadline on this project. So I gotta, I gotta work pretty hard on it. Gotta lock in. Index 1. Perhaps it'd be best if I just, didn't stream all of it and only some of it. I don't know. True. I'll probably still finish it if I don't make it in time for the jam, just because you know, I don't want to have an unfinished project laying around that I got so close on. But hold on.
Oh, one sec.
Okay. In fact, it should be an array. I don't remember what I changed anymore. Okay, if the shooter equals the ID, then pass. Right, and it doesn't need to do that. Otherwise, let's just count this out. I want to see if this stuff works. Great, perfect. That's actually great. That's true. Okay, great. It does kill the enemy. Now I just need to figure out how to do the other thing. See that? Perfect. We are getting somewhere.
Okay, so I want to have a lot of the reason I want to do at least this part so fast and get it out of the way so fast is because I want to focus on the meat of the thing where I give projectiles all their cool properties and stuff. That's gonna be the meat of the thing. And then honestly, random generation shouldn't be so hard, even especially if I like spaghetti code it and don't put a lot of effort in. As long as there's no like memory leaks or whatever, it'll be great. It'll be fine. As long as it runs, if it runs, it's fine and dandy.
And I want to have some a nice amount of time for polishing too, because that's pretty important. If it has good mechanics but doesn't look good, it'll still be kind of boring. Definitely not a winner. Okay, hold on. All right, yeah, I'm gonna take my 30. Yeah. Shut the heck up. Here you go. Where's there it is. Already fully volume up. That's nice. Great. There we go. I should have like a rest screen or whatever. Yeah, definitely.
back.
Turn the music down a little bit.
Okay, perfect.
Great. Okay. Now we've got another thing I wanted to test real quick is I wanted to. I wanted to test. Power. Tile. Power. 1. Okay, great. Perfect. I want to see if it. Surely it shouldn't kill a bee. Oh, yeah. That's because. That's because I didn't finish. I'm not muted, am I? Okay, good. I didn't finish making this unmonitorable. For not monitorable equals false. And also plus t equals 0. Perfect. Let's see if these emitting. Go. Particles.emitting equals false. Nope. Oh. Okay, why are they accelerating? Why are they accelerating? Okay. I want these to not move. If the parent is the same as the shooter, not the same as the shooter, I mean. Okay, now why is it not working? I've got this kind of working. I also want the player speed to be a little bit lower. Okay. Okay. I don't get it. I don't get it. Great, perfect. Shoot myself, and now I shoot this guy. It does not work. It's clearly doing that bit when I shoot myself. That's working perfectly. I should be able to shoot enemies from above as well. Great, perfect, great, all good. Nice. I can shoot at the enemy. Right, but he's not dying. But, yeah. Okay. what changes when I shoot myself?
Text edit. About text edit. Services.
Okay, just one. Oh, it hasn't. It actually. Okay, that's on me. Okay, now that one. That one is a problem that I need to fix in a different way. Because it needs to do the resolved impacts thing. Great, that's all nice, that's all nice. Now why does it... It's appending correctly. It sure is appending correctly. Great, okay. That's something I need to fix later. Is it only checking? This is actually useful information now that I'm thinking about it. I think it's only checking the first thing. Not fix it. Great. Oh no, wait. I'm not. That's not what I'm testing. Yeah, still only test. It's still only looking at the first thing. Yeah, okay, list ID does equal ID for the first thing, and then great for potential impacts for the index. The list ID turns to index the second thing, the third number of index. is for each index. And if the list ID does not equal... No, it should be equaling the ID. That's what it is. No, wait. If the list ID does not equal the ID, then it actually passes. It doesn't return anything, right? Yeah, because then that'll break the loop. It'll break out a loop. Okay, but then that happens. I think this is what I think it does. Obviously, or else I wouldn't have thought it does it. Yep, okay, that works. Great, perfect. Okay, now it reads the entire list. So if the impact is not nil, basically, then it will do whatever. Then it will do whatever it does, which is exactly what I want it to do. Okay, perfect. Great. Now I just need to make it. What if I just do that? That worked this time? No. But index 2, that is promising. That's what I wanted it to say. The index should in fact be 2. Alright, I'll go for an hour. Once we've got these projectiles done, we can start working on... what was next on the list? Enemy AI and UI. User interface. I'll go ahead and preemptively say... check! Check, please. Check, please. Uh-oh. That's not my file paths. Oh, no. That's okay. I don't care. Great. Okay. Check, please. Okay, I think I'll stop after I get the projectiles all done and dusted out of this world. AI, basic enemy AI won't be an issue. That's just like timers and moving around and trying it towards you and then shooting you. For now. And then the UI will be the hard part. Let me check my calendar. We have 8 days. 8 days is enough to do all that, I think. The UI, I think, will be the UI and the finish the tinkering system will be the meat. The AI can be even a little bit. Honestly, it can be a little bit of an afterthought. And then the tower segments would be great. And then the polish. Polish, of course, is important. Polish translation. Very perfect. Okay, this doesn't work. second. Okay. Okay. Oh! Yeah. That was it. That was all. That was the whole thing. That was the whole deal. There we go. Yeah, that impact is resolved and that one is not. Okay. Now I need to resolve the impacts. If recent resolved impacts has true, then var I equals solved impacts dot find true. Great. And then it's going to delete Yeah, baby! That's what I've been talking about. That's what I've been waiting for. Yeah. Heck yeah. It works exactly as I wanted it to. And we're printing. Oh, oops. Where's the other thing I printed? Where's the other thing I printed? I was printing. Where's the one? It's probably in the projectiles. was printing something. Well, I think that's gonna be the end of stream because I did what I said I would do. There we go. I did what I said I was gonna do. I made the projectiles work. Great, perfect. Debugger, don't yell at me. That's exactly what everything is working as exactly as intended. I know that monitorable is off. I turned it off. I did that on purpose. Alright, well, I made the projectiles work. Enemy AI will be pretty darn basic. Tomorrow we'll work on UI. And, yeah. Actually, tomorrow I think I will be working on UI by myself because, or maybe I just won't work, I won't be able to work on it because I do have a closing shift. Okay, I can work on the basics of UI or something, before my shift. But I won't be streaming tomorrow, I don't think. Alright, and with that, everybody have a great night. It was nice stream. I'll see you guys later. Bye, everybody.